Alan? Okay, I got it. Yeah. Today's agenda, we're going to go over internal auditing generally, planning the audit itself, the opening meeting, closing meeting, some audit techniques and interviewing and evidence gathering techniques that you should use, and writing the audit report. So what is a quality audit? You'll notice in my slides that there are references to ISO 9001. However, the internal auditing process that we're going to be discussing here today applies to any type of regulatory audit, not just specifically ISO 9001. So what is an audit? It's not a quick review. It's a detailed inspection of your company's processes. Remember, you're not Columbo here. You're not trying to catch the bad guy. You're simply trying to help your colleagues find issues and opportunities to improve the current processes and to help ensure their compliance. It is not an us versus them scenario. It's a team member helping another team member. Remember, you're all in this together. The point of an internal audit is not to evaluate someone's performance. You're looking at the company's processes and making sure they are compliant and meet the business needs. Planning and organization are key to the entire internal audit process. Now, some companies have tried to do these single audits where one person is going to look at everything all at once. This can get really chaotic and things will be missed, so I don't suggest anybody attempt this. It's best to have a few internal auditors that are going to look at different parts of your quality system. An audit is systematic. You should have a procedure for gathering and evaluating the audits. You must have an audit criteria so you can focus in on what you need to look at. Your audit criteria is going to be extremely important to you so that you know exactly, okay, I am auditing document control today, and you're going to use all of the material available to you, any SOPs, any manuals, and the regulatory requirements to put together your audit criteria. Evidence. Provide only facts, things that you can verify and you can provide evidence for. Your company may allow you to take pictures, which is a good way of gathering your evidence, but always make sure that you take a copy and record everything that you looked at. These internal audits are really a tool for management to understand the company's state of compliance, and they help the company to minimize the risk and also to close the loop on gaps within their quality system. Remember, think preventative when you're doing your internal audits. So it's really, you're looking downstream at what can be changed, what can be fixed, whereas when a customer or FDA comes in, they're doing an upstream assessment and they're trying to see what you haven't done, what you missed as far as compliance. They're looking for gaps, holes in your system. You want to look to fill those holes to make sure that you don't miss any opportunities to streamline processes, to make improvements when you have the chance. Now, the purpose of your internal audits is to verify that the quality system conforms to the company's needs, that you're complying to all regulatory and company requirements, meaning the SOPs, work instructions.